Let's talk about growing your website traffic and getting more website traffic. So chances are you spent thousands of dollars on your website, or maybe you did your website on your own. I'm starting to see that as a common thing, which is totally fine. I mean, Simply Be Found can work with any website that's out there. You don't have to get the website through us. We do offer web design as a function and as a feature if you ever want to add it on as an add-on. But let's talk about how to build drive it. So you built that website, you spent thousands of dollars, or maybe you just spent hours working on your website and getting it built. So now how do you drive traffic? Well, there's a few different ways to be able to drive traffic. If you're a local business and you want to be able to drive that traffic, one of the best ways is making sure you're inside of Bing. Bing needs to be registered. You need to make sure you register for it. I'll link to it up here if you're inside of YouTube. You need to also make sure you have your Google Business Profile listing up to date. And if you need to know how to be able to create a Google Business Profile listing, I'll link to it here. You also need to make sure you have Apple Maps set up. So I'm going to link to that there as well. Hey, there you see the comments right here. The other thing you need to make sure you're doing is make sure that you are doing the things to optimize your profile. Make sure you have questions and answers all filled out inside of your Google Business Profile. Make sure you're posting to your Google Business Profile. Make sure all of your information is up to date on all of the networks. So it depends on your industry. There could be up to about 300 networks that you have to make sure your business information is 100% accurate on. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you come to a platform like Simply Be Found and be able to put your information one time in one spot and then have us blast it out to all those networks. That makes it to where we're providing, making sure the most accurate information is there. If you're doing those things, you're going to start driving traffic to your website. You're going to start seeing more results by getting that traffic. So if there's search volume out there, you're going to be able to drive that traffic. Another thing that we do is we be able to make it, what we do is we put it together to where you get a complete to-do list of all the things you should be doing in your marketing. And we make it simple to do all your marketing from one spot. So check us out, simplybefound.com. Like, subscribe, and learn how to do your own marketing and take control today.